Why are rocks and landforms shaped the way that they are? Have you ever looked at a mountain or a random rock and thought, why is that shaped that way, or what's that doing there? Well, today we're going to do some experiments to see how these things come to look the way that they do. Check out this simulated glacier on soft rock like sandstone. Here's a simulation of a glacier moving across hard rocks like granite and other igneous rocks. Check out what happens when wind blows past soft rock like sandstone or sand. And let's see what happens when we have some really hard rocks, some granite, igneous rocks within this sand, and how the wind affects them. See what happens when water flows past this soft, sandy rock at a very low elevation. Can you spot any differences in the behavior when this rock now is put at a really high elevation as the water flows across it? See if you can spot landforms on Earth that were formed through the erosion processes you just saw.